Next up, we have a tag team of speakers. I'll give you mic shortly. We have Abiye Berhanu and Rishabh Sharma Vemuri.
Hi, everyone. I'm Rishabh.
And I'm Abiye.
And we're undergrads from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. And for the past year, we've been at the Fansteel Lab building a cross-platform desktop application for genomic data visualization.
The app is powered by Plotgardener, an R package developed by Nicole Kramer, which allows users to precisely render and place genomic plots.
Plotgardener itself is a super powerful package. You can place these specific plots for genomic data and create multi-panel publication quality figures. And additionally, it can be extended to non-genomic data as well. So this is an example with population data. It just goes to show like how many people and how many users the package can reach to and how many people can use it.
Now imagine this. You're getting back from a long day and you want to take a seat on your couch, but you see this instead.
Just a pile of wood. So now if you want to sit down on your couch, you have to build the entire couch from scratch. You might have to read a manual in a language that you don't know and use a bunch of tools and find where they are, figure out what pieces go where, and how to put it all together, and all this just for the hassle of taking a seat.
All the pieces and tools are there, but the obstacle is in the know-how. This is what it feels like for many biologists who simply want to make a plot but don't know how to code. So they first have to learn the nuances of R and coding to get started.
And as CS undergrads, we know how one semicolon or one typo can stall progress for a couple hours, sometimes a day. And this is us working on our app. And yeah.
For many, the learning curve is so steep, they choose not to get started in the first place.
So our goal in building our application was to make it accessible to everyone, including non-coders. So our solution for that was to write the code for them.
We built a cross-platform desktop application with a simple, user-friendly interface, so now users can
go ahead and name each of their plots for organization, and then select all the plotting functions available in the underlying package.
Users can input parameters, upload data, and actually see the documentation from the R package itself within the app.
And once they populate all of these fields and all the parameters, they can go ahead and hit the Run Script button, and we'll generate an output for them and show the R code that we write so they can download and learn R on their own time.
As you can see here, users can actually save their Plotgardener session itself so they can continue on working on it later and actually share it with others.
And finally, and most importantly, they can generate these type of multi-panel publication quality figures with just a few clicks and inputting parameters. So no coding necessary, no worrying about semicolons.
Our backend, built on Electron.js, which is the same framework used in many desktop applications like VS Code and Slack, means that our app comes and runs like any other commercial desktop application.
And we harness the power of Plotgardener, the R package, within our app by parsing the package itself with Python into an array of structured JSONs, which then we can inject into our React front end.
This is the same front end used in websites like Facebook and Netflix, meaning that users can intuitively interact with their plots while keeping the same connectivity to R's precision.
So the impact of this can be measured in threefold. The first one being accessibility. So now since users can make these plots without writing a single line of code, and we give them the R code that we generate for them, they can kind of reverse engineer the script itself and then learn R as they go.
Another benefit is reusability. Like we said, you can download the R code from the R app itself and also save your Plotgardener session. So you can continue on working what you have and also share it with others so they can build on top of what you have.
And finally is adaptability. So our flow of parsing the package itself and then injecting it into our application is something that can be replicated for a variety of R packages.
Now, anyone can use the amazing capabilities of Plotgardener without having to worry about a single semicolon and make complex, publication-ready visualizations.
So hopefully now building plots doesn't feel like putting big logs together, but just snapping Legos together. And so we hope this makes it more simple, powerful, and intuitive with Plotgardener. And just before we go, we want to say thank you to everyone at the Fansteel Lab. namely everyone on screen here, Dr. Doug Fansteel.
And then also a big thank you to Posit for allowing us to present our work here today.
Thank you.